Hey guys, today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $28 plus tax free shipping. It is valued at $120 plus, and you choose 3 products. Ipsy does choose 2 of the products based on your profile. This can be canceled at any time. And these products that you're looking here on the screen are the April 2022 products. Everyone's choices are not the same, and there are many variations of products that will be in all the different bags. They have a smaller bag for $13. It's always free shipping, and then they have the Glam X, which is quarterly, which is always free shipping, and it's $55. It does replace the smaller bag. All the details regarding all 3 bags will be in the description below. All right, so let's get into my bag. So this is the Daisy Design bag, and it says its material is made from recycled plastic. So I guess that offsets the amount of waste. So in a sense, it's eco-friendly. Plus that adorable Daisy design. I love this bag this month. All right, so the card in the bag this month says the theme is Keep Growing. These cards don't say anything about the products or anything in there. It's a lot of times it's just for the people who have the Ipsy subscription. It does, although, say the Glam Bag X is Madeline Petch, and she is the Riverdale star. She's going to be in the Glam Bag X. She chooses the products for the Glam Bag X, where you get 8 full-size picks. And it has Tarte, Sunday Riley, Bite Beauty, and Iconic London. So that's something I might be getting. Not sure if you choose 3 or 5 of the 8 products in the Glam X, but you do get to choose. Okay, so my first product is the Dr. Brandt Skincare. It's a yogurt cleanser. This retails for $35. It's 105 milliliter size. It's a face wash, gel cleanser, prebiotic and postbiotic to help good bacteria on your skin thrive and to balance, soothe, and hydrate. All right, so the next is the Belle en Argent Nail Duo. This retails for $22. You get 2 9 milliliter nail polishes. They are full size. And it's called, I believe, Pole Nude and Rich Plum. There's also an extra wide brush, so you can coat your entire nail in just a few strokes. So I will definitely get some use out of those. All right, so the next one is, the Ahava Intense Foot Cream. I remember choosing this. So this retails $29. It's a 3.4 ounce size, and it says it's a therapeutic with Dead Sea minerals, I guess, jojoba oil, vitamin E. It will help minimize dry, cracked, and rough skin, and will give you softer feet. So getting on that tonight. That sounds really nice. Okay, so this one is KOA. I never know if this is Koa Life, but KOA Life. It's a vitamin C brightening oil. Retails for $34.95. It's 15 milliliter. And it says glow boosting, packed with vitamin C, hemp seed oils, shiitake mushroom extract to even out skin tone and minimize hyperpigmentation, which, your dark spots, Malaysia acne and stuff. So this sounds really nice. I'm not sure about the hemp seed oil because those dark green and earthy type of products that they ingredients, that they put in products sometimes really bother me and I can't use them. So decision on that one. But definitely a really nice product, I'm sure. Okay, last but not least is the Seraphine Botanicals Pre-Makeup Base. This does sell for $34 and it's 15 grams. It has hyaluronic acid, rice bran, and watermelon seed, pumpkin seed oils. It's extra light and it creates a smooth canvas for foundation. And so it just sinks into the skin. So that sounds really nice too. I'm not actually going to open it up and take a look at it because I'm not going to use it right away, but it's definitely a keeper. So anyone who watches my videos knows how I feel about Ipsy Plus. It's my absolute favorite. I set my profile to get more skincare. I love it. I do get options to choose makeup too. This is how I choose my bag. So let's do a recap on everything that we received in this bag. So the first product, is the skincare, which is $35 from Dr. Brandt. And then we have that vitamin C brightening oil, and that one was $34.95. Then we have the nail polishes. I'm sorry, no, not the nail polish. The Seraphina makeup base, which is $34. Then there's 2 nail polishes, which were $22. And then the last one is the Ahava Intense Foot Cream for $29. So the whole bag retails $154.95. So you can pay monthly for $28 per month plus taxes. It's always free shipping, can be canceled anytime, or you can do annual. Now with the annual one, I think it was a little over $300. So including tax and shipping and everything, it comes to about $26.50 per month. So that's a really, really good deal for these 5 products. They say it's valued over $120. Mine's always well over $120. Sometimes mine's over $300 in value. So it's a great deal. Love my Ipsy Plus. But what do you guys think? Let me know in your comments below, guys. I'll see you in the next video.